Right here we have another one of the 148 scale ambulances that Menards was selling again. I don't remember who exactly. I don't know if it's Denver Diecast, but anyway, I don't remember who was actually manufacturing these, or at least putting their names on them. I'm sure they were made in China regardless, made in China, but it says on there. Anyway, I can't remember what the actual branded name was. Like I said, I know Menards had them. Lionel, I think, had a couple flat cars with ambulances on them with lights and different things. This one did come with lights, and some of y'all know it's pretty weak out of the box. The red and blue light bar, my customer asked me to change that to all red, so repainted, or actually removed the color from that, repainted it red per his request. This one has flashing headlights, red strobes in the top corners, red flasher, 2 red flashers in the light bar itself. No scene lights on this one. On the rear, the 4, again the top strobes here, the 4 strobes here are wired together, and then the 3 yellow strobes are wired together. So they alternate. You'll get your 3 red triple flash, or the 4 red triple strobe, and then the yellow ones will triple strobe on the other side. Again, fairly decent models. Again, they work well with 43rd scale models. They're a little smaller, obviously, with being 48th, but they'll work okay with that. Retained the regular switch that came on the model to begin with to supply the power, 9-volt internally. A couple screws to remove. To me, it'd be a hassle to remove them, but anyway, hey, probably lasts quite a while. The battery should. Remove the screws, pull the box off, and then once the bottom comes off of the truck body itself, the battery's located inside. So, I mean, probably take 5 minutes to change it, but still. Let's go ahead and turn this on. So I hope I put a battery in there. It's going to look pretty stupid. The flashing headlights, as you can see, again, slow flashers in the light bar. And then, of course, you can see the top corner strobes on the side as well. And those are actually triple strobe. We can't detect it with my camera, but it is. These here, you can see they alternate between the reds and the yellows. It's a simultaneous flash. There you go. You can see the 3 yellows and then the 4 reds. Again, those are triple strobe. And then these top corner ones are tied into the rest of the top LEDs. So, I'd say fairly basic, not very basic, but anyway, nice little show of lights on this one. So, appreciate the order, Brian. I'll get it. Should be able to get it shipped out to you tomorrow. Again, appreciate it, sir.